Sometimes you just need to top your tires off, and rather than come out in the middle of the rain at night, you could just use this rather than use one of these. Welcome back, everybody. It's Chris from Chris Travels, and today we're going to be talking about the WEEONIR Portable Tire Inflator. This was sent into the show, but it will not impact my review on this product. So in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about the product. We're going to unbox it. We're going to see everything that we get with it, and then we're going to do a quick demo to see if it actually holds up. I have extremely high hopes for this product, and I don't think it's going to let me down. So let's take a look at it. This is a portable air compressor. It is rechargeable and is very compact. And also being compact, it doesn't sacrifice a lot of the features. It goes up to 150 PSI. Unlike other units, this has a metal shell. It's not plastic. So it's going to be a little more durable, a little more rugged. It has USB charging, and it also works as a mobile bank. You can plug in your phone and it will charge your phone or other devices through USB. Is this product for everybody? I think it is. All right, everyone, here's the box. It's the MS22C-003 Portable Tire Inflator. Here's the side. Box really has nothing on the bottom, but that's okay, because what we're really after is what's inside. Opening the box reveals a carrying case. I'm a stickler for organization and having everything together. Opening up with this wonderful zipper reveals everything that we need to get the job done. So let's see what we get in here. We get our power cords, USB-C charging. Here's a 12-volt lead. And here we have our instruction manual. And here is our hose. Now let's get to the meat of this, why we're all here. This is it, everyone. This is it, right here. 1, 2, 3, boom, and it's on. Look at that, everyone. We can adjust our PSIs with the push of a button. And whatever you lock this at, it's gonna fill up until it reaches that pressure, and then it's gonna shut off. Here's our light. And it's a nice blue tinted light. Very, very nice. There's our SOS lights. You can see on the bottom, you can plug an item in here to charge. And this is the magic USB-C cable that you plug into pretty much any wall wart, and then you're able to charge it. More importantly, you have your 12-volt connector. And this, it's a little compartment down there that has pin inflator and various other ends to get the jobs done. It's really nice, really nice. And these just go right back in there. That is so neat. I am so impressed by this. And if PSI isn't for you, hold the chase and arrow button down and you can change the units. Even bar PSI. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna screw this in the top. And with that being said, we're ready to go inflate a tire. So let's go inflate a tire. All right, we're at the back of the Fiat. We're just gonna do this on the fly. Okay, we're connected. Now we're going to turn it on. And it says that I currently have 29.5 PSI in there. So let's go down to 32. And let's go. I would say that's a successful test, don't you? Complete with light. So if it's dark, you can see what you're doing. Good job, guys. Good job. Very, very impressed with this. They have provided the Chris Travels friends and family 50% off using my coupon code down below. This is the product that I will be using going forward. I'm very impressed with it. I suggest everybody take a look at this and give it a shot. It'll be great for those times when you absolutely need an air compressor and you don't need to stop at some weird gas station in the middle of who knows where. Everything is in there. Every single thing is in there. You cannot complain about that. And at the price point, there you go. If you got any value out of this video, smash that like and subscribe button, comment down below. Is this something that you're looking for? Is this a solution you may have been looking for? Till next time, it's Chris from Chris Travels, and see you on the road.